back to my channel. Today I'm back with a brand new product for review, and in today's video we are going to review the MTR Tasty Delights Tomato Rice. So tomato rice is a popular South Indian dish, and today we are going to review this ready to eat product from MTR, the MTR Tasty Delights Ready to Eat Tomato Rice. So let's get down to the review of the product. First of all, let's look at the packaging of the product. So right here on the face of the product we can see the MTR branding right here. Then the Tasty Delight Ready to Eat branding right besides it. There's a Tasty Delight branding, and then the name of the product, which is tomato rice, is here. Then there's an illustration of the tomato rice shown here, which looks very delectable and tasty, and it is mediumly spiced and no preparation is required. You just need to heat this product to eat it. That's how amazing it is. That is the best thing about the MTR ready to eat products. Basically there's no preparation involved. You just need to heat the product and you can enjoy that amazing dish. Coming to the net quantity of the product, the net quantity is 250 grams. So that is the net quantity of this. This is made from 100% natural ingredients. There are no added preservatives or flavoring or anything. Like there's no artificial colors, no added preservatives, no trans fat, no hydrogenated vegetable fat, nothing. So very hygienic this is, very health conscious as well. Moving on to the back of the pack, here we again have the MTR logo, the ready to eat branding, and tomato rice written here. Here they are given an MTR tip: serve with Raita or with crisps. So served with Raita and crisps. This product serves 2 people is what has been mentioned here, but with the other products we saw whatever rice, the pulao, vegetable pulao we tried of the MTR. The serving is enough for 1.5. You can say 1.5 serving, but not 2 people serving. Let's see how much does this rice come up to. Moving on, it is very simple to cook it, prepare it. You just need to heat and eat it. So you can choose to heat it in a microwave, or you can dip the content, the packet, in a pack in a boiling water and keep it for 5 minutes, or you can transfer the contents in a frying pan or a bowl and just heat it for 2 minutes. Just heat it for 2 minutes on the frying pan. So that's how simple it is to cook. Here they have given the nutritional facts of the product. Coming to the net quantity, like I mentioned earlier, it is 250 grams and the shelf life is 12 months. So the shelf life of the MTR tomato rice is 12 months. Now coming to the main part, what is the price of the product? So the MTR tomato rice is priced at rupees 99, so which is amazing and very competitively priced by MTR. Very affordably priced as well at rupees 99. So if you go to buy tomato rice in a restaurant, it will cost you anything between 150 to 200 bucks. But the MTR tomato rice comes for rupees 99. Looking at the ingredients of the product, the ingredients are: there is water, there is rice, there is tomato paste, refined sunflower oil, salt, jaggery, tamarind juice, mixed spices, chili powder, onion, ginger paste, green chili, Bengal gram dal, garlic paste, mustard, curry leaves. These are the ingredients. So let's go ahead and unbox the product. So to unbox the product, we just need to peel it open from the top. Here we have opened it. And inside, this is the silver pouch packaging. The foil pouch, it comes packaged in a foil pouch, which you just need to dip it in hot water and let it boil for 5 minutes, and you will have nice hot fluffy tomato rice ready to serve. Or you can choose to cut open the packet and keep it in a microwave and let it heat for like 2 minutes. Or you can put it in a frying pan and just heat it up as well for 2 minutes. So yeah. So what is on this pack? In a pack, again we can see the MTR branding and the ready to eat branding. The name of the product is here, tomato rice, which has been stamped on top of it, and the time of packaging is here as well. The date and time of packaging is there. Here is the instruction on how to heat it or prepare it. And some more information here. Once the foil pouch has been cut open, use the entire content immediately. You can't keep it in the foil pouch. Do not use the pouch if leaking or bloated. For other details, see the outer mono carton. So guys, this is the tomato rice. So let's go ahead and quickly prepare it. So friends, we are going to use the pan method to prepare the tomato rice right now from MTR. So here is the pouch of the MTR tomato rice, and here's my frying pan. So we are going to quickly open this pack up and let the content into the pan right now. And then we just need to heat it up for 2 minutes and it should be ready to serve. So let's go ahead and open the pack. In the pack, and you can see the tomato rice inside. When I opened the pack, it was so the aroma of the tomato rice filled the room. It's so aromatic. And now we are just going to put it into the pan. So here is the tomato rice. We have added it to the frying pan. We're just on the gas right now. Just making sure all the rice is out of the pack, foil pouch, and into the pan. And now we're just on the gas. And we are on the gas, and we'll keep it on medium flame. And we'll just break the rice up. And let it heat up. So after we have broken the rice down, all we need to do is add a few splashes of water, 2 to 3 tablespoons of water, so that the rice comes back to life. Right, so what we are going to do is we are going to quickly add a few splashes of water. And then we'll let it heat up. Because being packed for so long, it just dehydrated the rice. So we just need to break everything into individual pieces. This wasn't the case when I had tried the boiling method in the pan, where that nicely come out. All fluffy, the rice comes out all fluffy. And we have tried the veg biryani from MTR. So I think the boiling in the pan method is the best instead of frying it in the frying pan, because this requires a bit more effort than boiling in soaking it in the boiling water. Just stirring it around so that it doesn't burn. Once the rice heats up, it will be all fluffy and nice. Second, coming to the quantity doesn't seem like it will serve 2 people. The quantity seems to be a bit less. Again here. That it will serve 2 people is a wrong claim being made by the company. It's surely not that much of a quantity for 2 people. This is good enough for 1 person, but definitely not for 2 people. Let's splash in some more water. So that the rice gets nice and soft. And you can see the aroma, the tomato aroma coming right now. And now all the lumps have been broken and the rice is also nice and soft. You can see some curry leaves in it. And the tomato rice is prepared and ready to be served. So right here. Within 5 minutes, a tomato rice is ready to be served. There we go. This is the tomato rice. Then we'll just put the flame off and take it off in a serving bowl. Here is the tomato rice that we prepared, and it has a nice and tangy and spicy aroma to it of tomatoes and all the spices that are there in it. It also has a nice color to it, the tomato from the tomatoes in it. There's a nice reddish color to it, and it really looks appetizing right now. So let's get and do the taste test of the MTR ready to eat tomato rice. Guys, here goes the taste test of the tomato rice from MTR ready to eat meals. And here's a spoonful of tomato rice which I'm going to do a taste test of. So here it goes. Nice and fluffy, very flavorful. Nice tangy taste to it, tangy sweet taste to it. Spice levels are on the medium side, like not very spicy. But the rice has come out nice and fluffy. Like when I first started putting it to heat, it looked like it would not be the best tasting rice, but this product has come out amazing. So the MTR tomato rice is a definite 5 on 5 from me, and a definite recommendation for all the people who like tomato rice and other South Indian dishes. This tomato rice is definitely tastes like an home cooked tomato rice. So guys, if you all are looking to buy the MTR tomato rice, the link to the product is in the description below, so you can go and purchase it from there. Also, if you all like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos.